Ever wonder why your hair is still falling out despite using countless shampoos and conditioners? The solution isn't in your bathroom cabinet, it's in what you put inside your body. Today, we're uncovering 8 powerful home remedies that target hair loss from the inside out. So before reaching for another medication with potential side effects, take a look at these natural solutions. Be sure to catch the final tip. It's a game changer you definitely won't want to miss. First, let's talk about something basic yet often overlooked: the water you use to shower. Fluoride, commonly added to tap water, contribute to hair loss. It actually builds up on your scalp and skin, leading to irritation and blocking nutrients from reaching your hair follicles. This can weaken your hair and make it more prone to shedding. The solution? Installing a showerhead filter that removes fluoride can make a significant difference. It's a simple, still basic step to enhance your hair and skin health. I've included a link to a shower filter below if you're interested. 2. Onion juice. Onion juice is a natural way to inhibit an enzyme that causes hair loss. An intriguing study, which I'll link below, found that onions are an incredible remedy for alopecia, an autoimmune condition that causes hair loss in circular patches due to your body attacking itself. Applying onion juice is proven to increase hair growth by more than 73% within just 4 weeks. So, why not add this to your routine? Mix onion juice with water in a 1-to-1 ratio, apply it to your scalp, and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing. Worried about the smell? No worries, I've got you. Just mix a few drops of essential oils like lavender or peppermint with water and use it as a final rinse. This will help get rid of the odor. For those of you who are still concerned about onion smell, here's another safe remedy. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and then apply it to your scalp. Leave it for 15 minutes and rinse it out. Green tea helps reduce the enzyme that contributes to hair loss. What about apple cider vinegar? Is it okay and safe to use on your hair? We all know there are many benefits to taking apple cider vinegar internally for your digestion and blood sugar levels, but you can also apply it topically to your skin, including your scalp. By using apple cider vinegar correctly, you can do several things: restore the pH of the scalp, give your hair a nice shine, and clean up some of the residues left by shampoos and conditioners. Here are tips to keep in mind when using vinegar. Don't apply it directly. Always dilute 1 tablespoon in 16 ounces of water. Use it as a rinse after shampooing and avoid leaving it in your hair for too long. Once or twice a week is plenty for great results. Rosemary oil also is known for its effectiveness in preventing hair loss. Apply a few drops to your scalp, leave it on overnight, and wash it out in the morning. It's been shown to be as effective as some commercial treatments. Likewise, trace minerals are essential elements for hair growth. However, it's challenging to obtain them due to soil depletion. Zinc and selenium are 2 essential minerals when it comes to hair growth. For zinc, it can be found in seafood, especially oysters, and in red meat. For selenium is abundant in foods such as nuts, seafood, and seaweed. Let's talk about vitamin B7, which is more commonly known as biotin. Biotin is essential for the production of keratin, the protein that makes up more than 90% of your hair. Now let's address the most common question: does biotin shampoo really work for hair loss? While biotin in shampoos can be absorbed through the skin, its effectiveness compared to oral supplements is still up for debate. Biotin shampoos might offer some benefits, especially for those with a mild biotin deficiency, but they aren't a replacement for getting biotin through your diet or supplements. Biotin-rich foods such as eggs, nuts, whole grains, and vegetables like sweet potatoes, spinach, broccoli, carrots, and tomatoes. And if you're looking for extra support, biotin supplements offer a convenient way to complement a well-rounded diet. Finally, let's talk about one of the most essential vitamins your hair is begging for, even though we rarely mention it: vitamin D. Right under your skin, hair follicles have vitamin D receptors, like keys needing vitamin D to turn. Adequate vitamin D keeps these follicles in the growth phase longer. Research shows that about 40% of people with hair loss have low levels of vitamin D, underscoring the nutrient's crucial role. That's why vitamin D should be a top priority when addressing hair loss and supporting hair growth. So there you have it, key points to support healthy hair growth from the inside out. Remember, it's not just about external products, but also about nurturing your body with the right nutrients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.